Ito ang Presidential Broadcast Service
Radyo Pilipinas.
Radyo Publiko ng Bagong Pilipinas para sa Bagong Pilipino. Naghahatid ng mahahalagang balita at impormasyon na uugnay ng pamahalaan sa sambayanan. Tulay sa himpapawid ng serbisyo publiko. Radyo Pilipinas. Radyo Publiko. Ang boses ng Pangulo. Sa Iloilo, Radyo Pilipinas. 585 AM.
Welcome back once again to your favorite edition of Hello ECU.
ECU. Level up.
Good afternoon, Philippines. Good afternoon, Iloilo. Hello, ECU. Ang oras na subong, it's 6 minutes after 3 in the afternoon. Siyempre, nagabalik ang inyong partner sa Kahanginan. This is me, Heinz. And I'm so glad because we have our partner for today. Present kami. I'd like to welcome, of course, on board ang ating partner, the Director of National and International Affairs, si Ma'am Giza. Ma'am Giza, partner, good afternoon sa iyo.
Good afternoon, partner! First time ni Giza na po sa radyo. Thank you very much for having me today, Sir Heinz, and I'm so happy to be hosting with you. ECU Level Up! And subong hapon, anong aton nga pag-istoryahan?
For the next 1 hour, partner, madamo kita sa pag-istoryahan, ano? Especially sa aton yung mga ginimbitang nga bisita, no? And basically may mga topics kita nga mga gibutang naton sa pamangkot, gusto naton maatagan ang aton yung mga tagpalamating sa bunga hapon. So we would like to invite, no, before anything else, we would like to invite our listeners, no, sa aton radio dial 585 Radyo Pilipinas Iloilo, and at the same time, no, because we're also live sa aton yung mga social media pages, mga kabyanan, diriya sa Radyo Pilipinas, and of course, partner, of course, sa aton man social media page sa aton university, no,
Yes.
sa ECU Public Information Office. So, madamo sang pamaagi. If you'd like to join us, number 1, you can simply send your comments or your questions, no, sa aton nga programa via comment section, partner. And of course, you could also send, pwede ba tawagan? Sa dason siguro.
Sa Dasun sa
Dason si Mana, pwede. Medyo ginahapo pa kaming halin sa Miagaw, no?
Grabe ang hapon subong trip ni Sir Heinz. Early in the morning, dito kami sa ECU Miagao, and then we drove for an hour hasta makaabot lang subong so that we can be with you subong.
Aha. Kung pwede ko lang ma-picturean to kagina sa taga-drive. Lolo pa ron niya ang Miagaw hasta sa diri sa station mo. Kaya ginalanta mo ng oras daw medyo ipit-ipit na. Anyway, going back to our topic, Mama Gisa, no, our partner, no? Ang aton nga mga ginimbitahan nga bisita sa buong hapon ari naman. So, definitely the next 1 hour, it's going to be an interesting discussion together with them. And of course, together with my partner right here in Level Up. Pero tagaan tabi sila, partner, no, sang gamay nga pag-insindi kung anong level up ng program or level up ng program under Hello ECU natin.
Yes, ang Level Up na program ay about sa internationalization activities ng Iloilo Science and Technology University, and hindi lang amoy na. Damo pa ang iba nga mga activities and offices under the Office of the Vice President for External Affairs. So may kita Parents Affairs and Relations, may Alumni Affairs kita, and also may linkages kita. Amoy ni ang mga
Partners.
Yes, offices, ang mga activities nila, ang mga programa nila nga aton pag-istoryahan every Friday at 3 p.m. diri sa ECU Level Up.
Thank you so much, partner. Antes kita mag-pause for a short break para mapasulod na natin ating mga bisita, let's give a huge shout out sa mga kaupdanan ng tanga-anak subong sa Miagaw, no? ECU Miagaw.
Hindi ko nga nagkalabilin yun.
Mayo nga po, thank you sa aton nga President for allowing us to skip, no, the rest of the
They are celebrating their 81st
Exactly.
founding anniversary.
Oh,
Congratulations.
congratulations.
ECU Miagao, tapos.
Kita ta ka to, nag-jogging kita sa last. Alright, anyway, we'll be back for more, ladies and gentlemen. Oras natin subong, it's Philippine Standard Time, 10 minutes after 3 in the afternoon. Sa pagbalik ta, umpisahan ta ang aton interesting discussion with our invited guest. Diri lang, this is Level Up, ladies and gentlemen.
Attention, ESAT University graduating students. The ESAT University Registrar is still accepting application for graduation. For those who have not yet submitted their application this second semester, academic year 2025-2026, you can still submit until January 31 at the office of the University Registrar, second floor, Student Services Building. Don't miss this important step toward your graduation. Submit your application now. Nabudlayan ka bala mangita ang venue para sa inyong event? Ang Iloilo Science and Technology University nagaparenta sa venues para sa conference, seminars, review centers, livelihood trainings, kag iban pa. Magkadto lang sa office ng Industry Linkages Development Office for Reservation na nahamtang sa second floor ng Student Services Building kag pangitaalang si Mr. Francis Fritz S. Portuno, ang project manager sa rental services, o si Miss Jane Zaragoza. O kung magtawag lang sa telephone number 033-3207-190 local 292. Nakabakal ka na bala sang imo PE uniform? Kung wala pa, magkadto na sa ESATU Integrated Income Resource Generation Program Store. Nahamtang sa kilid sang ESATU sa Dalan Burgos, La Paz. Sa IIRGP Store, mahimo man kamo makabakal sang tela para sa ESATU uniform, ID lace, university t-shirt, kag mga souvenir items sa presyo nga barato. So ano pang ginahulat mo? Bakal na!
ESATU, level up.
Good afternoon, Philippines. Check your time. It's 12 minutes after 3 in the afternoon. Nagabalik sa gihapon ng inyong Level Up program. Upo ng inyong partner, Heinz and...
Giza!
And of course, right now, Ma'am Gisa, can you please do the honor of introducing our invited guest para sa ating session?
Yes, partner. Subong nga hapon, we have unsung heroes sa mga opisina naton. No, hindi lang sa Iloilo Science and Technology University, sa tanan nga ginaubrahan, may ara kita sa mga unsung heroes. And usually, amo na ang aton nga mga staff. Ang mga staff mo na sila ang hindi naton makita pero nagarubo-rubo na sila sa ubra. All the time, kadamo na sang ilang ang mga work, assignments, deliverables. And today, interview ho naton sila because they are one important part of the organization. Kag subong, may-ari kita diri, very special guest from the Office of the Vice President for External Affairs. Of course, we have our staff, Mr. Arvin Kyle Sustento.
Hello.
What's up, ESATU?
Wow.
Pwede mag-sound.
Pwede. Okay, anyway, let's proceed to the business. Ang first question ang gusto natin ihaboy kay Sir Kyle. Sir Kyle, musta love life?
Daw ano pa siya, sir? Undefined, sir.
Daw wala yung mapreparahan niya.
Expect, sir, nga muna question, sir.
just to break the ice, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, again, we'd like to say good afternoon sa mga nagpapati sa atin, no? Diri sa ESAT University, sa mga respective offices naton, mayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Now, ang question ko, no, and I think this is also the same sa mga nagpapati sa aton, ano ba ang nag-draw kay Kyle na mag-sulod diri sa ESAT University kag mag-apply no sa opisina ya sa VPA o kon sang NIA?
Yes.
Actually, sir, I think 2 years ago, around this time this year, man, around the same time this year, nakita kong application sa ESATU, and then it's an international linkage officer, kind of like that. So, I felt like it's calling to me.
Yeah.
It's calling to me. So,
May hiwagang
I
pa na.
applied. Pero admittedly, it was a shot in the dark. I never knew if masapakan din man bala ako ng application. But then, I said to myself na maybe i-regret ko ni if hindi ko pag-applyan. So, I applied, and then I got on as far as the interview. Unfortunately, it did not work out. And then for about 2 months, I also worked in a radio station. So this setup is a familiar setup to me back in Antique.
Okay.
And then one fateful afternoon while I was working, our former vice president, she called me, Ma'am Nams. She called me if I'm interested in working with at ESAT-U. And then the first thing that came to my mind was like, oh my G, nakasunod ako. But why gali nakasunod? They are actually considering mo for a different position.
Mhm.
And then I told myself nga, maybe it's a redirection. Why ako nabaton sa unang position. But then again, ESAT-U I mean, life has led me back to ESAT-U. So the next day, I went here to meet with Vipea, with Mang Nance, and that's how I landed my job at Industry Linkages and Development. And
So, basically, anniversary mo ganit.
with
Mga
my,
muli nga time.
hindi ma'am, anniversary kang akong encounter.
Application.
akong encounter with ESAT-U.
So, pinaka nakatuig diri, Sir Kyle.
I think 1 year and a half, ma'am.
So, how's your experience so far?
It's a roller coaster. Every day you never know what will hit you, and then
Pero kung ginahaboy ka, gatapik man.
yeah.
Okay.
You should stick as hard as you can.
So, ano mga challenges sa ubra nimo dito sa office ng external affairs?
Ginapasaot ka ba?
Mayo lang sir, why sir? Kay nag-break dance ako siguro may naka-discover na sa akin. kidding. I think it's the continuity of everything. Since you're dealing with external clients, you never know what sino nga visitor makadto this day, at this time. So you just have to be ready to accommodate them. And usually, my work deals with international linkages. So most of the time, I have to speak English, and then I also meet with them online, and then there are times nga gakadto sila face to face. So that's a very enriching experience because I have the experience to interact with different cultures and people of different lives.
Ano bang mga makonsidera mo, Sir Kyle, nga daw pinakamabudlay no, nga parts ang imong daily routine?
Oh, I think the hardest. No, I man sir. Why ko siya
Kaya.
Ay,
Kaya
ganun.
gid niya
Why ko siya
Discard gali diya pa ka yung part. Pero okay lang.
my mindset sir is
Ugangan,
it will
pagduwa ka
pass.
sa
So
exam.
why ko siya gina-select something as, oh my god, I can't do this. I can't do that. So maybe ang mindset ko na lang is I can finish this. I can do this no matter what it would take me.
Wala ka man ginahagis sa kopdana mga video kita.
Mayo man why sir kay kun magmuna daw maulan siguro sir kay
Daw,
summer
no.
na subong daw pabalik siguro ang monsoon season.
Pero nga namin lang partner no sang iya nga perspective kay proactive lang gid siya yan. No? Wala niya ginapanumdum nga hindi niya kaya matapos so parho ng mga deliverables sa mga assignments. So I think that is one thing also nga panumdumon sa aton nga hindi lang sa mga staff but tanan-tanan man kita nga nagaulubra nga mga empleyado nga proactive lang kita sa aton nga mga ginaubra so that we are happy in our job.
Sila gali sa kilala ko, partner. Always associate yourself with quality.
Correct.
In everything that you do, associate yourself with quality. Kaya at the end of the day, ang blessing maabot lang. No?
Correct. True.
Ano ma-react mo na, Sir Kyle?
Quality over quantity.
Okay, sa doon nagatungan.
Yes.
So, Sir Kyle, balaan ko because we have worked closely together no sa External Affairs Office. I know kadamo nagidya sang imo nga naubra. Ano ang proudest achievement mo so far? Ang something feeling mo pinakabudlay nga naubra mo kag proud ka gidya in your 1 year and a half dito sa opisina?
Interesting question. I've done a lot of things for the university, but I think ang may pinakadako gid nga impact sa akon, like imprint sa akon is the one we did last year, which part of the ESAT-U's 120th founding anniversary. And since we organized the ESAT-U Legacy Run 120, and then I'm proud to say nga I designed the running entitlements for the race and as well as the branding materials. I think you know nga I've had struggles especially with the medals. If you guys nakita niyo na siguro kapila ko yung mag-drawing kami din. And then I thought nga, ooh, this is it. And then pag-render ko sa graphics, ay hala, kalapot sa iyo. But then we had a eureka moment nga, this is it. So that's the medal nga we ended up with Isat U Legacy.
That's
So
good.
that's my proudest moment.
Where do you see in the next 3 years, Sir Jan?
Hopefully, ari pang Japon sa Isat.
Very good. Very good, very good. Okay. Anyway, we would like to invite partner, no? Sa gihapon gina-imbitahan nato ng mga nagapamati subong. You can actually send your questions, no, sa aton yung mga guests. And at the same time, if you have any queries, no, regarding sa aton ng program, you can also send it through the comment section sa aton mga respective na social media pages. What's up, partner? What's next?
And of course, by the way, congratulate na lang din kaya, Sir Kyle, no? Kay, kung nakita mo lang to partner, ang medals, ang
I see.
triplets, so, di ba lang ka na?
Nami.
So, hindi lang ikaw, hindi lang siya ang proud sa to sa
Ay,
iyang design.
thank
Pati
you,
kami
ma'am.
super proud man sa iya. Kami, he was able to actually do that bala. So, congratulations on that milestone in the office, no? And we are hoping that sa tanan pang mga challenges nga mag-alabot ang mga tanan pang ulubrahon mo, you will be able to surpass the achievement nga sugo
Mhm.
nga imo nga na.
Pangimbulahan kayo.
Yes.
Pagimbulahan.
So,
I think that's what we call level up, ma'am.
Correct.
Level up.
Ang wala na sa you, level up.
Isat U, level up.
Liwat. Liwat. Tumiyon ta. 1, 2, 3, go.
Isat U, wait.
Ikaw,
Okay,
and
okay,
then
okay.
all three of us.
Isat U, level up.
Oh, with us. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ready?
Isat you, level up.
Pwede nang gid siya, sir.
Pwede.
Sir
Trial ni gali, ma'am, for substitute host.
Next time, Sir Hines, pag may agko kita kung Friday, kagalang-alang na magbalik siya na.
Wow, pagkita ito sang masunod sa lalo na kung ng driver mo, medyo malayo-layo
Oo,
gawa.
malayo-layo.
Kasi,
Yes.
okay, anyway, oras na sa buong 22 minutes after 3 in the afternoon. Mga kabyanan, magkabalik kita with another special guest. And of course, we'd like to say thank you to Sir Kyle for joining us in this segment. Sa pagbalik ta, let's hear from a different perspective, no, sa aton niya nga pasudlon nga bisita. Tawag ta siya karon sa iya nga pangalan. Pero this person is actually dear to us as well. And she has been with us also for quite some time. So, bantayan nyo na. Sa pagbalik, syempre, isang
Is it you?
Level Up!
Attention, ISAT University graduating students. The ISAT University Registrar is still accepting application for graduation. For those who have not yet submitted their application this second semester, academic year 2025-2026, you can still submit until January 31 at the office of the University Registrar, second floor, Student Services Building. Don't miss this important step toward your graduation. Submit your application now. Nabudlayan ka bala mangita sa venue para sa inyong event? Ang Iloilo Science and Technology University nagaparenta sa venues para sa conference, seminars, review centers, livelihood trainings, kag iban pa. Magkadto lang sa office sa Industry Linkages Development Office for reservation na nahamtang sa second floor sa Student Services Building. Kag pangita lang si Mr. Francis Fritz S. Fortuno, ang project manager sa rental services, or si Miss Jane Zaragoza. O kung magtawag lang sa telephone number 033-3207-190, local 292. Nakabakal ka na bala sang imo PE uniform? Kung wala pa, magkadto na sa ISAT-U Integrated Income Resource Generation Program Store. Nahamtang sa kilid sang ISAT-U sa Dalan Burgos, La Paz. Sa IIRGP Store, mahimo man ka makabakal sang tela para sa ISAT-U uniform, ID lace, university t-shirt, kag mga souvenir items sa presyo nga barato. So ano pang kinahanglan mo? Bakal na!
ESATU. Level up.
Philippine Standard Time, it's 25 minutes after 3 in the afternoon. Nagabalik siyempre ang inyong partner sa kahanginan, or partner should I say. This is Heinz and...
Giza!
And karon ang among probinsya sa inyo, ari na mga abyan. No? Ang ating isa sa mga espesyal na bisita sa buong hapon sa aton nga edisyon sa Level Up. Kaga, syempre pa, again, no, panawagan na sa mga gusto magpamangkot sa iya, ipadala nyo lang sa... Nagtulog, di ba? Magpadala lang sa inyong mga pamangkot diri sa atin sa comment section sa mga respective social media pages diri sa DYNL 585 Radyo Pilipinas Iloilo and of course sa ISAT University Facebook page. Una nga pamangkot, partner. Pusta ang love life?
Bingkong Japon.
By the way, this is Ma'am Geraldine Jane Togne.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Basta may shout-out ka na. Shout-out na lang daan subong.
Okay, shout out. Belated happy birthday kay Salve and advance happy birthday to Pat from Sir Kyle. Happy birthday!
Hey, Ma'am Je. Si Ma'am Je, sa External Affairs Office ni siya. So, nag-retire na balan si Dr. Nemia Mabacquiao. Dr. Nemia Mabacquiao is our former Vice President for External Affairs. And subong ginbuslan na siya ni Dr. Junifer Badoles. So, ako nabulos kay Sir June sa NIA, no? So, gindala ko dito si Ma'am Je sa NIA. So, from VIPEA sa National International Affairs Office na siya. So, how do you feel ang journey nga na, Ma'am Je? Nga from external affairs, ato ka na sa NIA.
Siguro ang may start ko sa journey ko sa VIPEA was actually very special. Kay, with my long stay sa ISATU, ang pagsulod ko sa VIPEA marks a very significant for me in my career because dira ako nakahatag sa promotion. The administration gave me a permanent position that time. So I was like, I'm very thankful sa administration for the trust and confidence, and also to my former boss, VP Ma'am Nem. So yeah, so I think that was very special for my career growth. Yun, ang naging start sa pag-shoot sa akong career when I started at VIPEA.
Okay, so subong, ano na yung imo nga ginalook forward? Kay sa NIA ka naman. New chapter of your career.
I think sa NIA, another challenge, another adjustment naman. And of course, I'm still looking forward for more interaction with international partners and also to learn more about the kung ano pagid bala ang pwede ko matunan sa NIA because I've been in different office since nag-start ako diri sa ISATU, not only sa VIPEA.
Research,
NIA, I started at research actually together with Sir Heinz. So, and then went to board. So, na-challenge ako kay because lain naman siya, lain naman yung learnings, lain naman ang mahatag niya sa akin as a person, as a damo pagid ko man ma-learn diri sa NIA.
Eto na yung partner wala kang kabalo, nag-learn pa na siya sa Mandarin. Kabalo na siya ng Mandarin.
Pasampulon ta sa karon.
Sampol. Kabalo na siya. Go. Sige na balo.
Jiao, du chen chen, Nina.
See.
Very good.
Yes. All because of the external affairs.
Pati aton nga teknika sir, thank you. Anyway, kung lang taon tang imo nga ginaobra, no, base man sa journey mo, Ma'am J. Ano ba ang, I mean, your work actually involves communication, coordination, no? Ano ba ang pinaka-nanamian mo or pinaka-fulfilling na parts ng imong ginaobra?
I think making those ideas proposal into reality. I think amo na siya ang pinaka-fulfilling na part sa isa ka support staff sa diri sa organization sang ISATU when our boss have this idea, proposal submitted to ADCO or to the administration, we wanted it to become reality. So after dira, lain gid yang makita mo ang successful event. So I think ako na siyang fulfilling ma-feel sa mga staff or anyone in the organizations working with it. Become part of something better or something great. So amoy na siya.
Sakto ba gid partner, no? From ejation, kung part ka bala. Tapos na-implement siya, tapos natapos sa gitman. I mean, the fulfillment is really very genuine. No?
Yes.
Do makwan really mahambal nga I was really part of it. And this activity is close to my heart. Daw mo siya na, no?
Yes.
Kag you have to take note, partner, although nga di idea abi aton no kag kita ang naga-obra sa mga objectives, mga rational and everything of a particular activity. Pero sila ni ang nagapalakat kaya sa
Legwork.
sa mga proposals. And then kung kaysa hindi kita kabalo paano mag-submit sa mga amo nga papeles, sila ya memorize na nila ang process. And that is something that is kung wala mapiang kagidya sa opisina. No?
Yeah, true to the fact na sila gid yang naturing atong mga support services
Yes.
no?
I think gusto ko lang i-note siguro, I think that may particular event siguro nga nag-struck it sa mind ko that time during, I think that was the investiture of Dr. Gab Salestre. Short backstory lang because Dr. Nemia was the one who's overall chair that time. So it was a big thing. Kaya syempre, investiture siya. With the communication, with the connection, with the invitation, I was part of the secretariat. Tapos, it was a big event. It was a big event for us. So, after that, parang natapos ang investiture, I received a message from Dr. Gab saying thank you. And then that was the realization, I'm doing this because of this. A little the appreciation was so much. So, na-feel ko gid nga I was seen, I was visible that time. So, I think that was the fulfillment. Yes.
Kanami lang partner, no? Nga, because of your hard work, wala you are seen by everyone. Not just by the big bosses. Pero, dira mo man makita nga, you matter. Ganun.
Yes, exactly.
And it is something that we also have to remember. Sa may mga opisina, bala nga, kung ginapasalamatan ta ang aton mga support staff, kung kaisa, wala ta kabalo how much that means to them. So, hindi lang once in a while, every time na matapos ang isang activity, pasalamatan ta sila in our own simple way. Okay? So, Ma'am Je, damo ka na may na-achieve, dugay ka na pila ka na katuig sa isa
Sige. I started siguro, I started January 2017. So,
ay, dito na tayo pag-isipon.
ikaw na bahala.
Okay, dito naman. So, ano ang mga challenges nga na-encounter mo through the years?
Siguro hindi ko siya mas specify. Siguro mahambal ko na lang sa kalawigon sa nga akong stay is we make mistakes and we have to own it. Accountability. I've learned from ESETU, accountability, being responsible and committed to your work. So, at the end of the day, you have to fix what you need to fix. You have to deliver what is expected from you. So, amo na siya. Hindi, may ara kagidya nga challenges, may ara gidya mistakes, but you have to own it. Dapat, at the end of the day, you have to correct or you have to deliver what is expected from you. And I think that is professionalism.
Diyan ka. Do gusto ko istorya ka mo sila eh. Basi bala makakuha sila sa impression na daw puro lang kita di obra. So mamangkot kita kay Ma'am J, no? Ano ba? How do you strike a balance, Ma'am J, sa imo abing mga handom? In fact, sa imo nga family life, sa imo nga love life, no? Daw abing mga istoryahan. Tagaibi kami sa insights pag-abot sa dira.
Siguro sa akon, I really started at ESETU with the desire to pursue career growth. That's why I pursued master's degree for my career development. And then with my families, ginabalance ko siya. But balance doesn't mean equal. So meaning you have to know your priority in life. You have to spend time with your family at the same time. May demanding gid ang work, pero you have to give time to your family. Ang love life is grabe po. Pero of course, you have to go back to your family at the end of the day.
Love life sa family life.
And partner, member na si Ma'am Jess ang ESETU Run Club.
Shout out to my running club. ESETU Run Club.
Kailan na makabilog ang members ang aton nga Run Club? Kay i-kwanta, i-plug today para magdamo-damo pa gid.
Damo na.
Damo na.
I'll give the mic to our vice president for the running club, Ma'am Gisa.
Sa sunod, ano ta sila? i-guest study ang
Pwede,
mga
pwede.
runners nato. Kaya nagadalaog na sila, nagapodium na sila, partner.
May kilala ko doon 25 na ang ginlagaanan niya.
21.
21 yun, sabi ko 25.
Marathon, oh.
Oh, nakaka-marathon na proud siya. One of our achievements, other than the achievements from work, is ang iyang recent half marathon.
Yes, yes.
Oh, di pala. So, that's how you balance your
Pero balda.
balda lang sa love life. Ay, ilan na tayo na yan.
Abot na na. Sige, partner.
Okay. So, Ma'am Je, lastly, happy ka bala sa work?
I think happiness is subjective. Dapat you have to choose happiness every day. Even though it's difficult. Biskan budlay, you have to find happiness in everything you do. Kaya kalaw, ay man biyang mindset mo kung wala ka na nasadyahan. Kay hindi gabi tanan nga adlaw happy or hindi gabi tanan nga adlaw is easy for you. But then, find happiness in simple things. Appreciate little things. Go out. Drink that favorite coffee of yours in the morning. Find beauty in green landscape. And find peace. At the end of the day, it gives you happiness.
Nagkakatingala ko din sa mga
Sa mga
insights, halin to sa kay Sir Carl, sa iya, gawin so...
Sa mga...
Pila na edad nyo man?
Inadong feeling ko wala nag-reflect sila sa isa ka bulan bago nag-guest diri sa isa't yung level up pala. Kanami.
Dami.
So,
I think
feeling ko daw values education section.
kanami mo atis ang ilang mga insights sa aton yung topic. Anyway, tagaan-tas ang tiyempo si Ma'am G, no? Basi may gusto siya ng mga tamyamon. Basi amo pa man lang niyang magpamaaging ang ekis to, mag-check lang. Sige, Ma'am J, may mga gusto kayo i-greet?
Okay. Sige. Shout out na lang guys sa best friend ko, Giselle, Romeo, and sa running club. Isat You Run Club. See you on the Iloilo Half Marathon. And of course, to my family, hello, if you're watching.
That's it?
Amo na to, kasi gusto mo.
And also to my I would like to acknowledge na lang, because I'm here, I want to acknowledge all the offices I've been with, the Research Services Division, the Board Secretary's Office, the Office of the Vice President, and now in the NIA office. Thank you for them. I will not be here without those colleagues or people within Miss Organization nga nag-support sa akin emotionally, financially, or anything. Actually, also to my Ma'am Lucille and also to Pico, Sir Hines. I think I've received enough love here in the organization. That's why I stayed. Thank you.
That's so nice.
Tama gid man na partner. Hambal nila, you have to love your job so that you don't get to work every day.
Yes. Sakto, and we're so glad that we have Miss G, no, Ma'am G, to be able to illuminate sa mga munang classes ng topic.
Yes.
May tissue dira, Sir Jeff. Anyway, check your time. Philippine Standard Time is 38 minutes after 3 the afternoon. So pagbalik natin, we still have one special guest left. Kag this time, another perspective no, sa mga set of questions kami ana kita. So if you still would like to join us right here on Level Up, please don't forget, send in your questions, your comments, even sa ating mga respective social media pages. Diri iya sa atong programa nga Level Up live in DYLL 585 Radyo Pilipinas, Iloilo.
Attention, ESAT University graduating students. The ESAT University Registrar is still accepting application for graduation. For those who have not yet submitted their application this second semester, academic year 2025-2026, you can still submit until January 31 at the office of the University Registrar, second floor, Student Services Building. Don't miss this important step toward your graduation. Submit your application now. Nabudlayan ka bala mangita sa venue para sa inyong event? Ang Iloilo Science and Technology University nagaparenta sa venues para sa conference, seminars, review centers, livelihood trainings, kag iban pa. Magkadto lang sa office sa Industry Linkages Development Office for Reservation nga nahamtang sa second floor sa Student Services Building kag pangitaan lang si Mr. Francis Fritz S. Fortuno, ang project manager sa rental services or si Miss Jane Zaragoza. O kung magtawag lang sa telephone number 033-3207-190 local 292. Nakabakal ka na bala sang imo PE uniform? Kung wala pa, magkadto na sa ESETU Integrated Income Resource Generation Program Store. Nahamtang sa kilid sang ESETU sa Dalan Burgos, La Paz. Sa IIRGP Store, mahimo man ka mo makabakal sang tela para sa ESETU uniform, ID lace, university t-shirt, kag mga souvenir items sa presyo nga barato. So ano pang inahulat mo? Bakal na!
ESETU, level up.
Philippine Standard Time, it's 41 minutes after 3 in the afternoon.
Okay pa, kaya pa.
Kaya pa. Nagabalik ang inyong programa. This is Level Up. Siyempre po sa Gihapon, Heinz and
Jesus.
And this time, we have another special guest, mga abyan, para at least matagaan naman kita sa different insights no, sa atong mga set of questions. We have with us
Yes. Ronalyn Alindugan from the National International Affairs Office. Hi, Miss Rona.
Hello, Ma'am Giza. Hello, Sir Heinz. Hello, ESETU.
Wow.
natandaan ko gibala partner. Basta may mga kinanglanan kapag sa travel ng kagwaan. Mas storya ko sa iya.
Oo, siya kita yan.
Siya gid si Ma'am Ronaldin gina yung storya.
Ilan ka dadakatuig, ma'am? Sa niya?
Sa NIA, 3 years ata.
3 years.
So, hindi ka kalakat abroad kung wala ka naka
Na, oo. Siya gid ang imong storya ko kaya hindi ka kikalakat, hindi ka travel. Anyway,
Yes.
I think this is also the same question sa mga nagapadala sa ilang questions sa ating nga platforms no sa social media. Diin ba naghalin si Ma'am Ronalyn? Or prior to this one, pwede mo kami matagaan sang storyas ng agamay kung how did you end up in ISAT University, Ma'am Ronalyn?
Okay, sir. Actually, I'm a graduate of this university. So, I am a proud Trajan, an alumna. So, before I start in External Affairs Office, I serve as a student assistant. Now, those 4 years shaped me, and I was exposed to the work of the office. And I think that inspired me, to apply in ESETU. And this is actually my first job. Yeah.
First love, first job.
First love.
First love and job. Para klaro lang.
Okay, so I think at least now we know nga dili man niya ginagalin si Ma'am Ronaldin.
Estudyante ko siya actually, partner.
And she was a working student.
Yes.
She was a working student prior to.
And she graduated cum laude.
Wow, congratulations, Ma'am Ronaldin.
Miss Rona, 3 years ka na, no? 3 years ka na sa National International Affairs Office. Ano ang pinaka-exciting mo nga ubra dira?
I think the most exciting job, I think the most exciting part of my job is meeting diverse people and learning with them. When I say diverse people, it's not only the local or the Filipino people, but meeting, our foreign counterparts, our foreign guests. So that's the most exciting part. And also exciting man kung mapilian ka to travel abroad. Yeah.
Damo-damo na ni siya partner na meet ya. Kaya
Ganit.
tanan-tanan naton nga international nga foreign guests.
Pero wala agad.
Ang love life, ano man. Ano ganin na to?
By the way,
Bingko.
partner, kabalo man si Ma'am Mandarin?
Nag-Mandarin class ka man.
2 weeks. 2 weeks lang.
How about sa iba? Like, what other languages do we...
Koreans, Japanese.
Korean, Ma'am Yara.
Korean, Indonesian, Malaysian. kadamo actually balance sa aton nga pila gani ka bilog ang aton nga active international partners, Miss Rona?
We have 42 active
Wow.
international
42.
partners.
And when say active, may aral iti ang mga engagement sa ilang actual. No?
Yes.
Hindi lang
Kaya
ni
nakita
say
yung collaborations. And ang nag-communicate na sa ila is Miss Rona.
Wow. But, sige, partner, go ahead.
partner, ikaw na.
I was just curious, no? Because you were mentioning partner kadamo sa mga ginaatubang ni Ma'am Rona and so on and so forth, no? Pero when we talk about these things, sa diin ba lang aspeto nga humbat nga you were challenged or ano ba lang mga mabugat nga challenges on your part? Kaga ini ba lang mga challenges kani nakabulig na sa imo to shape who you are at the moment? Ma'am Ronaldine?
Yeah, I think, sir, the most consistent challenge in the office is managing shifting priorities, no? There are times nga do tanan priority siya. So tanan like urgently dapat basaran na. But then this situation, no, give me a lesson that I need to prioritize, no, things. I need to have time management, no. I need to pass what the office need to be done and what need to be achieved for the next month or maybe tomorrow na.
Grabe daw pamangkot na sa kwan sa interview wala ma'am partner. When you apply for a job, how do you manage shifting priorities?
Yeah.
So ba't ni
Amo ginagaling tutuot gid gali.
The actual gid. Di lang puro pamangkot.
Di lang para sa interview lang mo ginagaling ang ginobra. Actually partner kagapon namot ako gani isa iya. Halin pagpungko namon sa opisina as stop before pagpuli. Hala kadamo-damo sa mga papeles nga ginapapirmahan. Siya na tanan nag-obra. Amo nang iya nga obra. Kahambal ko siya, wala ka man nakapoy.
Wala pa ba? Na-enjoy ko siya. So,
Ang namin na yung mamatiyan, sa wala pa man.
Wala pa man. Dali na lang.
Hopefully.
Malawi pa ba ng pasensya, sir?
Very good. Pero Miss Rona, kay 3 years ka na sa National International Affairs Office. Ano ang accomplishment mo nga proud ka gid?
Yeah, I think one of my proudest accomplishments is that facilitating numerous international activities like the City Chair Exchange programs, language and cultural exchange programs, and various professional lectures. So maybe some will think na dokapos lang ni kay you organize small groups lang, but
Hindi basta-basta ka international.
yes.
Damo.
Hindi mo paglipatan ng NGO loob.
Yes, the NGO Loob. Shout out to Sir John Loot and Miss Yuki, Miss Anne.
Okay,
Yeah.
anyway, thank you for that information, ma'am. No? But before kita mag-proceed sa mga questions i-shout out ni kaya sila si Ma'am Lizabel, si Sir Raymond Jimenez, si Ma'am Lizelle, ang gopahon man, Ma'am Lizelle Espejo, si si Lucel Haspe, kay si Jeff. Nakita ko lang. May Maria Clara man, no, nga nagalantaw sa atin at this point in time. Anyway, if I'm going to ask this question, ma'am, you have an option whether you're going to answer or not, no? In the next 3 years or 5 years, for example, ano ang ginapananaw naton sa imo, no? Imo estado, sa diin ka na, or anong gusto mo?
Yeah, I want to share this, no, before sa high school natin, may kita na, di ba, nga bucket list. No, I remember nga sa senior high ko, yun pa, sulat kami sa teacher, isulat mo ang gusto mo himuon. Isulat mo ang gusto mo nga ma-achieve. Na. So, syempre, sulat kita. And then, I want this is personal dream of mine. So, hindi ko lang siya paghihambalon. For the next 3 years, maybe I want to achieve these 2 things. Yeah. So, that's it.
Ano ang 2 things ka na?
Hindi ko lang siya maghambalon. It's personal. Yeah. Basta ma-jinx, ma'am.
Sige, ihatag na nga problema. Ihatag na nga problema sa nagalantaw sa atin, especially kay Ma'am Desa, na kay Ma'am Angie. Ano nang 2 things? Anong
Ako nang assignment ka especially sa mga nagalantaw na subo, punta mo to sa opisina, kinahanglan, masugid yan sa aton karon.
Kaya kung basiya ba, kung ma-jinx siya. So, kasi
okay,
ko,
okay.
after 3 years, ay wala akong paninahin.
Pakamuyuan na na.
Sige. Okay. So, Miss Rona, ano ang mga projects subong sa National International Affairs Office nga gina-look forward nimo ha nga i-facilitate?
We have the outbound city tour exchange program. So, ang process naman ng ilang documents this coming April. And then we
Din
have
sila makadto.
Indonesia.
Okay.
And then we have inbound Japanese students from national and international technology sa Cebu College, Japan.
Saan sila maabot?
February 23, they will stay until March 28.
Sa Kabulan.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay. Oh, so meaning, basi after 1 month, kabalo ka naman Japanese. Diba
Tani.
lang? Learn ka na subong.
Yeah.
Para pag sugat mo sila sa airport, mag-greet mo na sila in Japanese.
Yeah. Also, we have various sessions of language and cultural exchange programs. So, students keep posted sa atong Pico page.
Oh, di ba, partner? Grabe, gina-facilitate yan na tanan-tanan. Ang ginapang-mention niya. Siya
Oh.
na ang naka-assign.
Dahil dyan, bibigyan ka namin ng 5 minutong pag-shoutout sa mga kaibigan.
Oh!
Go, ma'am. You'd like to greet somebody or someone or a group of friends?
Shout out kay Ma'am Sherry sa External Affairs Office, to Ma'am Ange Vasco, Ma'am Liza, Ma'am Dessa, dila sa National International Affairs Office. Then shout out man kay ate, dila sa Malay, kag sa may sakon family.
Thank you. Once again, pangimulahan sa ating special na bisita, si Ma'am Ronaline. Thank you so much for the time, ma'am. Thank you for joining Level Up. Manamang kami nga nakuha ng insights. Oh, sige, go ahead na.
Shout out kay Ma'am Nemia Mabakla, of course.
Yes.
Dila sa Antique. Hi Ma'am, how are you?
Alright, Philippine Standard Time, 51 minutes after 3 in the afternoon. Mga kabiyanan, sa pagbalik sa ating Level Up, we are going to be asking the Director of the National and International Affairs sa mga ginalantaw natin, yung mga projects, kag mga programa, no, nga in the next few weeks or few months, pagbantayan diri sa atong eskwelahan. Sa pagbalik na sa atong programa, this is Level Up!
Attention, ESAT University graduating students. The ESAT University Registrar is still accepting application for graduation. For those who have not yet submitted their application this second semester, academic year 2025-2026, you can still submit until January 31 at the office of the University Registrar, second floor, Student Services Building. Don't miss this important step toward your graduation. Submit your application now. Nabudlayan ka bala magita sa venue para sa inyong event? Ang Iloilo Science and Technology University nagaparenta sa venues para sa conference, seminars, review centers, livelihood trainings, kag iban pa. Magkadto lang sa office sa Industry Linkages Development Office for reservation. Nahamtang sa second floor sa Student Services Building, kag pangitaan lang si Mr. Francis Fritz S. Portuno, ang project manager sa rental services, or si Miss Jane Zaragoza. O kung magtawag lang sa telephone number 033-3207-190 local 292. Nakabakal ka na bala sang imo PE uniform? Kung wala pa, magkadto na sa ESATU Integrated Income Resource Generation Program Store. Nahamtang sa kilid sang ESATU sa Dalan Burgos, La Paz. Sa IIRGP Store, mahimo man kamo makabakal sang tela para sa ESATU uniform, ID lace, university t-shirt, kag mga souvenir items sa presyo nga barato. So ano pang ginahulat mo? Bakal na!
ESATU, level up.
Mga biyan, oras na subong. It's 54 minutes after 3 in the afternoon. Nagabalik sa gyapon ang inyong Hello, is it you Level Up? Upon sa gyapon si Heinz.
And Jesus!
And we are your partners right here every 3 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon kada Biyernes sang hapon. Anyway, at least to wrap up our business, of course, with our BPA heroes. We just would like to take this opportunity, partner, para i-announce, no? Kado I think may ala kita sang nag-interview sa ato kanina, mga ubod naman sa media, no? Si Bombo Bray. Regarding sa aton shifting to online this coming Monday, no?
Yes.
So sa liwat, no, for the information of everybody, especially mga nakatutok sa aton subong, this coming February 2, wala kita sang face-to-face, pero may klase kita.
Yes.
Online lang galing. Online lang, no? And that is going to be in relation to the activity that we have in Haro, no? Kaya gusto taman nga napamatian ka, no, concerns mo sa mga parents or even sa mga kabataan naton nga ba si gaginutok naman sila, why naman sila masakyan.
May rerouting din, partner.
Rerouting. Kasi Haro na iya, partner.
Yes.
Haro.
Kira kita galapay nga na almost all of us nga naga-work, naga-eskwela sa isa't yu dira nagaagi. So, kung may rerouting, mabudlay.
And again, we would like to, I think partner may nalipatan kang i-shout out Gina.
Of course, hindi niya dapat namon malipatan ng amon nga OIC Vice President for External Affairs, Dr. Juniver Badole. Shout out sa imo, Sir June. Ara pa si Sir June sa Miagaw. Nabilin dito sila, tanan upod sa mga ad ko. So, Sir June, if you're watching, next time, ikaw naman. Dili sa level up.
Bulos-bulos na, no?
Yes.
Anyway, just to close our session today, partner, there's no question, no, that those people in interview natin are just among those warm souls that is sa university nga nagapadalagan gid sa aton nga mga ulubrahon, no? And
Yes.
Without them, we could not imagine our day without them.
Correct.
So we would like to consider them as heroes, no?
Yes. They are dreamers, they are achievers, and most importantly, they are our partners in achieving the vision, mission, goals, and objectives of Iloilo Science and Technology University. Kag we have to acknowledge nga kung wala sila, kabudlay gid ya partner sa opisina.
Kanami kay we were able to touch ang ilang mga ginhalinan, ang ilang journey, ang ilang mga challenges, things that they feel that they are so fulfilled in doing. Kag ang value of recognition, partner, ito isa gina sa mga napulot ko nga kuan, no? Nga daw nami man nga mabatsagan gid ya sa aton mo. Bisan sa mga gamay lang nga gesture nga muna. Though it means a lot, no? It means the world to
And
them.
most importantly, partner, ang importante gid ya kagina nga namian gid ko ka nasadyahan gid ko nga nabatian sa ila is that they love their job. Which means nga ka-enjoy sila sa ubra nila diri sa Iloilo Science and Technology University. Amo nang pinakanami nga nabatian ko kagina.
Kag wala pa nakapoy.
Oo, imagine. And then sa weekend, madalagan pa na dayon, half marathon. Di ba?
Sige. Anyway, what are we expecting in the next few weeks, months, partner, sa ato niya sa National International Affairs?
So, kadamo actually sa amon na activities sa National International Affairs Office, kagina na-mention na sang ni Ma'am Rona ang iban, no? Pero subong I just would like to highlight nga we will be having an international online celebration of the World Water Day on March 24, if I'm not mistaken, no? Diri sini partner nga event, we will be inviting, I think, around 30 regional, national, and international partner schools to present their how they actually save water. They have activities and programs in their respective schools which help them to save water and sustainable practices nila.
That's good. So we will be expecting that, no? And more, of course, coming from our newest director in the National and International Affairs. Oras na mga kabiyanan, 59 minutes after 3 in the afternoon. Nagpasalamat din kami sa inyo tonight for joining us over the last 1 hour. We will be expecting you in the next episode, of course, of this popular show every Friday. This is, of course, Isat U. Hello, Isat U's Level Up. Siyempre, upod si Heinz and
Giza.
Thank you, everyone. See you again on the next episode right here on DYLL 585 Radyo Pilipinas, Iloilo.
Ang inyong tulay sa himpapawid ng serbisyo